Welcome to Lumad.
Hello Lavis, mga unasad ta. Naa ako karon sa Lumad by Serendipity, an ambient cafe just beside the seas of Bulasa, Argao, located inside the Serendipity's Argao Resort. If you're looking for an affordable yet delicious food and drinks, well Lumad is the perfect place to be. They serve burgers nga tag 70 pesos each and also have buy one take one burger na tag 60 pesos ra. They also serve spaghetti, grilled fish, pork and chicken meals, milky fruit drinks, soft drinks, and also beers. So if you are looking for a place to dine and chill, check out Lumad by Serendipity in Bulasa, Argao, Cebu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you finish it until the end. See you next time.